Good morning to all my 5th standard students. Sujata Miss is here. Today I am going to teach you from your SST book chapter 3, India's freedom struggle. In the last class I have taught you a half of the lesson. Rest of the part I will begin today. Satyagraha movement. Satyagraha movement, it is the idea of non-violent resistance. Means fighting with peace. Started by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, whose name is also known as Mahatma Gandhi. Used Satyagraha in the Indian independence movement and also during his earlier struggle in South Africa. The main aim of Satyagraha was to eradicate the evil or to reform the opponents. What was the main aim of the Satyagraha? The main aim of Satyagraha was to eradicate the evil or reform the opponent. Here in the chapter is given, Mahatma Gandhi's Satyagraha movement changed the method of the freedom struggle. Yes, Mahatma Gandhi's Satyagraha movement, what it has done, changed the method of freedom struggle. He showed how the same results could be obtained through non-violent methods. His belief in non-violence or ahimsa inspired the common man to join the struggle, thus making millions of people participate in the struggle for freedom. In this Satyagraha movement and the struggle for freedom to India, millions of people participates in this struggle for freedom. Millions of people participates. And Salt March and Quit India movement. To protest against the high tax on salt, Gandhiji organized the Salt Satyagraha, which is famously known as Dandi March. On 6th April 1930, along with his followers, he made salt from the sea water. Thus, breaking the law, he walked from Ahmedabad to Dandi, motivating people along the way. Civil disobedience movement started when Gandhiji opposed sending of Indian troops to the Second World War. The Quit India movement or the Bharat Chodo Andolan was a call to all Indians to leave their jobs and work and act as an independent nation and not a dominion of the British. This movement saw the emergence of many underground organizations which had its own leaders. Who were participated in this movement? Bharat Chodo Andolan or Quit India movement or Salt March. They were the Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Sri Rajgopalachari, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and many other leaders led the freedom fighters. It is very important, children. You will write in your copy or you will remember. Understood? These are all the names. Social and religious movement. Many forward-thinking social activists took responsibility to improve the social conditions in India. Several of the social customs such as child marriage, sati pratha and caste systems were non-progressive for the society. Many social activists such as Raja Rammohn Roy and Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar worked the empowerment of women. Socio-religious groups like Brahmo Samaj and Arya Samaj brought reforms into the Indian society. Swami Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore and Dadabhai Naoroji are some of the pioneers of social reformers. Who were the social reformers? Raja Rammohn Roy, Rabindranath Tagore, Vivekanand, Rabindranath Tagore and Dadabhai Naoroji. So, independence. India declared itself an independent country on 15th August 1947. When it is declared? 15th August 1947. The last Governor General of India was Lord Mountbatten. He continued as the Governor General of India for one more year before being succeeded by C. Rajgopalachari. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of independent India while Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the Deputy Prime Minister. So, who was our first Prime Minister? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Deputy Prime Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. On 26 January 1950, India was declared a republic. Its first president was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Our first president was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So your total chapter is over, children. Summary is given. All the summary points you will read nicely. Then exercise, choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks, write one word for following, match the following. Very easy, you can find out from all the answers, but I will write all the answers in my copy and I will send you photocopy. First of all, grammar part you will write in your book only. No need to write in your note, but use only pencil. Only question answer. That also not to write into question. Only answer you have to write down in your copy. Understood, children? Till then, next class I will send you all the question answer. Till then, bye.